Welcome to our channel Herbology Haven. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of Isabgol, also known as Psyllium Husk, a natural remedy that has stood the test of time. Whether you're looking to improve your digestive health or explore its other benefits, you're in the right place. Isabgol, also known as Psyllium Husk, is a fiber-rich product that has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health issues. Originating from the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant, Isabgol is most famous for its ability to improve digestive health. But did you know that it offers a wide array of benefits beyond just relieving constipation? From heart health to weight management, Isabgol is a versatile supplement that can be a valuable addition to your daily routine. Scientifically classified under the Plantago family, Isabgol is derived from the seeds of Plantago ovata, a small herbaceous plant. This plant, native to India and the Mediterranean region, features narrow leaves and tiny flowers. The seeds are coated with a layer of mucilage that swells when it comes into contact with water, forming the husk known as Isabgol. Isabgol comes in different varieties, primarily distinguished by their color and specific properties. White Isabgol is the most common type and is usually used for its laxative properties. It's the variety you're likely to find in most health stores. Less common, Black Isabgol has similar properties to the white variety but is often preferred in traditional medicine for specific ailments. Let's talk about what's inside. A typical 5-gram serving of Isabgol is low in calories but rich in dietary fiber. It's this fiber, particularly the soluble kind, that makes Isabgol so beneficial for your health. From promoting digestive regularity to supporting heart health, the nutritional profile of Isabgol speaks for itself. The health benefits of Isabgol are extensive and supported by both traditional wisdom and modern science. Isabgol is best known for its ability to promote digestive health. It acts as a bulk-forming laxative, which means it absorbs water and swells, helping to soften stools and make them easier to pass. This makes it highly effective in relieving constipation. On the flip side, Isabgol can also help with diarrhea by absorbing excess water in the intestines. Psyllium Husk is beneficial for heart health due to its ability to lower cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of Isabgol can help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, while maintaining or even increasing HDL, good cholesterol. Additionally, the soluble fiber in Isabgol can aid in regulating blood pressure, further promoting cardiovascular health. One of the lesser-known benefits of Isabgol is its role in weight management. The fiber in Isabgol can help you feel full for longer periods, reducing overall calorie intake. This makes it an excellent supplement for those looking to control their appetite and manage their weight. Isabgol has been shown to help manage blood sugar levels, making it a valuable tool for individuals with diabetes. The soluble fiber in Isabgol slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. Another benefit of Isabgol is its ability to cleanse the colon. By absorbing toxins and waste in the intestines, Isabgol helps flush them out of the body, promoting a healthier digestive tract. Using Isabgol is straightforward, but getting the dosage right is key to experiencing its full benefits. Most health experts recommend starting with a small dose, such as 1 teaspoon, about 5 grams, mixed with water or juice. You can gradually increase the dose based on your body's response. For best results, take Isabgol about 30 minutes before meals. This can help with appetite control and digestion. It's also important to drink plenty of water when taking Isabgol to prevent any potential side effects like bloating or gas. Isabgol is available in various forms, each catering to different preferences and needs. The most common form, Isabgol powder, is easy to mix with liquids like water, juice, or smoothies. For those who dislike the texture of the powder, Isabgol capsules offer a convenient alternative. They provide the same benefits but are easier to swallow. Whole husks are less processed and can be mixed directly with food or liquids. They may take longer to digest but offer a more natural form of the supplement. Incorporating Isabgol into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Here are a few simple ways to do it. Blend a teaspoon of Isabgol into your morning smoothie for an extra fiber boost. It pairs well with fruits like bananas, berries, and mangoes. You can also add Isabgol to baked goods like muffins or bread. This not only increases the fiber content but also helps improve the texture of gluten-free recipes. The simplest way to take Isabgol is to mix it with a glass of water or juice. Stir well and drink immediately before it thickens too much. While Isabgol is generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Some users may experience bloating, gas, or an upset stomach, especially if they're not used to high-fiber diets. These symptoms usually subside as the body adjusts. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as bowel obstructions or severe digestive disorders, should avoid Isabgol. It's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Certain precautions should be taken when using Isabgol. Isabgol may interfere with the absorption of certain medications. If you're taking any prescription drugs, consult with your doctor to ensure that Isabgol won't affect their efficacy. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also consult with a healthcare provider before using Isabgol to ensure it's safe for them and their baby. Isabgol can be particularly beneficial for individuals with specific health conditions. Isabgol can help manage symptoms of IBS by regulating bowel movements and reducing bloating. As mentioned earlier, Isabgol's ability to lower LDL cholesterol makes it a good choice for those managing high cholesterol levels. For individuals with diabetes, Isabgol can be an effective way to control blood sugar spikes after meals. When purchasing Isabgol, it's important to choose a quality product. Organic Isabgol is free from pesticides and chemicals, making it a safer choice. However, non-organic Isabgol can be just as effective if it comes from a reputable brand. Look for Isabgol products that are 100% pure, with no added fillers or artificial ingredients. The label should also indicate that the product is gluten-free and non-GMO. Proper storage is essential to maintain the effectiveness of Isabgol. Keep Isabgol in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Avoid exposure to moisture, which can cause the husks to clump together. Isabgol typically has a long shelf life, but it's best to check the expiration date on the packaging. If the product has an off smell or has clumped together, it may be time to replace it. You can purchase Isabgol from various sources, both online and in local stores. Some trusted brands that offer high-quality Isabgol include Organic India, Now Foods, and Metamucil. While local stores may offer the convenience of immediate purchase, buying Isabgol online often provides more variety and better pricing. Just be sure to buy from reputable websites to ensure product quality. Let's discuss some questions. What is the best time to take Isabgol? The best time to take Isabgol is about 30 minutes before a meal to help with digestion and appetite control. Can Isabgol be used for weight loss? Yes, Isabgol can aid in weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness, which can reduce overall calorie intake. Is Isabgol safe for long-term use? Isabgol is generally safe for long-term use, but it's important to consult with a healthcare provider to ensure it's appropriate for your individual health needs. How does Isabgol help with digestion? Isabgol helps with digestion by absorbing water and forming a gel-like substance that softens stools, making them easier to pass. Can children take Isabgol? Yes, children can take Isabgol, but it's best to consult with a pediatrician for appropriate dosing. Isabgol, or Psyllium Husk, is a powerful natural supplement with a wide range of health benefits, particularly for digestive health. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, manage your weight, or lower your cholesterol, Isabgol can be a valuable addition to your daily routine. Remember to start with a small dose, stay hydrated, and consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. With its versatile uses and proven benefits, Isabgol truly is a must-have in your wellness arsenal. From digestive health to heart support, Isabgol is a versatile supplement that deserves a place in your wellness routine. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.